Stefan is on and off. Previously, we're handling some topics. We handled geometry. We handled went to place values. We also looked at that. Let me hear from each one of us. Asante. Asante. Asante, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Did you look at the work that has place values?
Yes, I looked at it.
Okay, so you can do it. You have no problem with it, eh?
Yes.
Is there something you would like to share with us about place values? Let me first ask Nancha, then I'll get back to you. Nancha. I think Nancha has a problem with her gadget. She's on and off. Nancha. Sherry.
Yes, teacher.
Sherry. Wow. I was longing to hear your voice. A good thing you've responded. So Sherry, did we look at place values together?
Yes.
Okay. I think that's good. Stefan.
Yes, teacher.
Did we look at place values together? I've not got you well. Stefan, can you now speak? Stefan, my dear friend, can I hear from you?
Yes, but I got problem of multiplying numbers.
Oh, a problem of multiplying numbers. We are going to learn it. And I hope by the time we cover it, wow, it will be great for us. I'll make sure we handle it, okay?
Yes.
All right. Masereka, hi. So previously we looked at place values and we covered a lot about it. And I'm going to give an opportunity to everyone. You tell us something. Yes, Masereka is saying something.
Hi, teacher. I'm sorry I joined. I'm sorry I joined the class. I thought it was a meeting. I'm a teacher also.
Oh, sorry about it. We are having mathematics primary 3.
It's okay. Let me move.
It's okay. All right. Asante, there is something we talked about that was about place values. And I know Shadrach can tell us something beautiful. That boy, Shadrach is good. Shadrach, tell me something about place values, what we said about them. Oh, Shadrach, you're quiet. Sherry.
Yes.
Pardon? Okay, Shadrach, tell me something about place values, what we learned.
What a place value is?
No, like you can tell us anything good about them, how they give negative values, where they start from, the order, like that. Shadrach, yeah.
Okay.
Yes? Oh, Shadrach, you're quiet.
Okay. I found what I want to tell you. Start from the right hand side, and the first place value is ones.
Wow, that's so beautiful. So when we are giving place values, Sherry, Asante, and Stefan, start from the right hand side, and the first is ones. So from the ones we go to tens. Who can guess what's the next after tens? After tens? Stefan.
After tens, hundreds.
Hundreds, good. Then we can go to
Thousands.
thousands. Wonderful. So that's the order we start from. Oh, Shadrach, thank you so much.
Thousands.
Wow, thank you so much. Sherry has gone off. Then there is something else we talked about. What else did we talk about? What else did you learn about it?
What else?
Yeah, did you learn about it?
Okay, let me see what I have here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me see.
We are waiting.
Okay. The place value up is thousands.
He also learned to give, he learned how to give place values to different digits according to their order. Thank you so much, Shadrach. So Asante, can you also tell me something about place values? What you know about place values?
That you have to first start with putting the place values.
Asante, let me hear from you again.
That when putting numbers and you don't know the number, you have to first start with the place values so that you can know that like it's 567, which you have to put the H and the T and the O, the ones, tens and hundreds.
Wow, thank you so much. So when we are giving place, actually when you're dealing with place values, you start with drawing the place value table. That's what Sante is saying. You draw the place value table, you give place values to each digit, yes? And there we write just the initials. That's why that's why Asante said that. We start with H, O, T, meaning each letter stands for a place value. Let me first share my screen. This is what Asante said. If you have a number, let's assume 1, 2, and 3. So what we do, we start with, before you write anything down here, before you give them place values down here, you first give them place values from up here. And this is what happens. This is what Asante said. You use the initials, you use letters to represent the words. So you draw your place value table very well, neatly. You draw it very well. Then after drawing it, that's when you can fill in the place values. And we've said that the first one, Shadrach told us that we start from the right hand. Shadrach told us we start from the right hand. And let me give this opportunity to Stefan to tell us the first place value as Shadrach told us and Asante.
Ones.
Wow, thank you so much. Wow, thank you so much. So the first one is ones. So what we do, you come and put it here, you write ones, but don't write the whole word, just write an abbreviation, yes? You just write one letter to represent the whole word. Then the next will be, Sherry, thank you for joining. We are giving place values to these numbers here. Yes, Sherry? What's the next place value, my friend?
Tens.
Wow, thank you so much. So we put it there, and we don't write the word tens, you just use a letter.
T.
We put the letter there, and we are using capital letters, okay? Then
Yes.
the last one will be
Hundreds.
hundreds. Thank you so much. So you also write it there. This is what we do when we are giving place values to different digits. So after giving the place values, you come and write you write the whole word that has been represented by a letter. So the first one will be Israel.
Yes, teacher, could you please repeat the question?
What will be the first place value here? If we are writing, we are writing letters to stand, words to stand for the letters we had put before.
3.
The place value of 3.
Ones.
Ones, wonderful. So you come and put it here
But
once.
shouldn't the ones be up and the words of the 3 have to be down?
No, this is how we do it. We don't put, if you put, when you come down here and put the word 3 here, it means you're writing just the name of the digit. But remember, we've said that these are place values. We said that these are place values. So when you're dealing with place values, you write the name of the place where the digit is. Okay? You don't write the name of the digit. If you write the name of the digit, it will be wrong. So what we do, we write the name. We write the name of the place. Yes? For example, if you're maybe staying in Wakiso. Have you ever heard of Wakiso?
Wakiso.
Yeah.
Yes.
Which place have you ever heard of? Wakiso?
Yes.
Okay, let's have a place everyone has ever heard of, Kampala, I think. So if you're staying in Kampala, yes, and they want the name of the place where you're staying, you don't say Shadrach, because it's you who stays in Kampala. You say K Shadrach. That means that's wrong, because Shadrach does not stay in a place called Shadrach, but Shadrach stays in a place called Kampala. Okay? So the same applies to Israel. If you stay in, let us say you stay in which town? Give us a town. We talk about it.
Mukono.
If you stay in Mukono. So if you stay in Mukono and they ask, what is the name of the place where Israel stays? You don't have to say Israel stays in Israel, no, because Israel stays in Mukono. So the name of the place is Mukono. So that's what we do with the place values. We write the name of the place. Just a minute, let me first connect my laptop. It's going to black off, sorry, just a minute. Sorry, I'm back now. Yeah, I think it's charging. So we're talking about Sherry.
Yes, teacher.
We're talking about the place values, yes? So when they ask for the place values, they want you to come and tell the name of the place where you are, where the digit is, where you are at that play, at that very time. They don't want you to tell your name, okay? So here the name of the place value of this digit 2 is not, the name of the place value 2, sorry, the name of 2, the name of the place where 2 is not 2, but the name of its place is, who can tell the name of the place? Someone tell the name of place? Yes, Sherry?
10.
Wow, it will be tens. So this is the name of the place where digit 2 is. So that is the place value of 2. Now we move to the next digit. What's the place value of 1? The name of the place where 1 is. Asantem,
Yes, teacher.
your hand is up.
Sorry, I'm going to.
Thought you're giving us, okay. Uh,
100.
Hundreds, thank you so much. So you write the word hundreds, don't write again the name of the digit, yes? Because we say that when someone stays in Mukono, we don't say that that person stays in again, we say that maybe Peter stays in Peter, no? Because the name of the place where Peter stays is Mukono, so we say Mukono, Kampala, what, that's the name of the place. So here, the name of the place where 1 is hundreds. So we write the word hundreds here. So this is what that's how we write the word hundreds. Then they may give you more than 3 digits. They may give you 4 digits, but this time around, I want everyone to tell me the place value of each digit. Let me write the number here. Let me hope everyone will see the number. Let me see how many are we. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. Oh, so Shadrach,
Yes.
you're taking number, digit 4 is yours. Asante, digit 2 is yours. Sherry, digit 3 is yours. And Stefan, digit 7 is yours. So I want you to tell me the place value of, everyone tell us the place value of your digit. Let me start with Shadrach, place value of 4.
The absent.
Yes?
What? Let's repeat that.
Place value of 4.
Plus value of 4. Hundreds. Okay, thousands.
Shadrach, we are listening. What's the place value of 4?
Ones.
Ones, that's good. Are you sure? Shadrach, is it true? First,
Thousands.
the place value of 4 is thousands. Actually, whenever you're asked the place value of just a digit, still don't fear. Come and put the place values on each digit, yes? Put the initials on each digit. Don't be scared.
Okay.
You write it down very fast. You give a letter to each digit. You're like, oh, this is O, T, H, TH for thousands. So that you can tell even when they've asked one digit, you're in position to tell. Then, Asante, can you tell us the place value of your digit? Which digit was it?
2.
Tell us the place value of 2.
Hundreds.
Hundreds. Thank you so much. And I want you're going to write those messages in the chat. You write the digit and the name of its place value so that I can see the spellings, okay? Shadrach, send yours in the chat, right there 4, then you write the place value so that I can see whether you can really.
Then I write thousands, and then I write thousands.
Yeah, you write it in the chat.
Okay.
Yeah. Sherry's on and off. I think her network is not good. Stefan, which digit are you handling? Which digit?
7.
What's the place value of 7?
2,000.
1.
Ones. Thank you so much. That's correct. So write your message in the chat. Sherry has not yet enabled her microphone.
1,000.
Sherry has not yet enabled her microphone. Let us wait. She enables her microphone, then.
4,000.
I'm waiting for Sherry to enable her microphone so that we can see the answer. Sherry, you can type your message in the chat. We shall see it. Asante. You write the message for the one that you're dealing with. Only one digit. I can see, yeah, I've seen it. Asante hundreds, that's correct. Stefan ones, that's correct. As Shadrach, when you're giving place values, the place value should have letter S to represent that position, yes? When you say 1,000, it becomes wrong. It means you're talking about something else.
Okay.
Yeah. So write it again.
Four.
Have you written it again?
I'm writing it.
All right, that's good. So that's all about our what? The place values, okay? Then we went also. Asante, I'm seeing your messages, but you've not yet done what I want exactly. Try to do it, adjust your degree.
Hello?
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello? Teacher Linda? Anyone?
Anyone is
Shadrach, can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right. That's all about the what? The place values of a given number. So we are going to check on our work on the site. I think Shadrach, you can do it. From our video watch, we are going to check. Asante, you're saying yes. Yes, for what? I don't know why you're saying yes. Okay. So we are going to check on the site. There is some work we are going to handle a topic. We are going to handle one unit that is about, we are going to handle a unit that is about operational numbers. Because here we were just revising, we are going to handle a unit that's about operational numbers. And here I know we are going to be helped people with issues of subtraction, addition, what, we are going to look at them. Division, how can we easily divide? How can we easily multiply a number? How can we easily add? How can we do this? We are going to see the simplest way of doing these things here. Otherwise, I wish you a nice day. Try to visit the site, and I'm going to be checking for those messages in our WhatsApp group. Tell me, teacher, I've met a challenge here, I've met a challenge here. I'm going to be there, and I'm going to be responding to those issues. We are going to check operational numbers. That is one of the units. We are going to check on them. We are going to go through them so that we can, so that time of our engagement, yes? When you meet an issue, put your issue in the group, send the message. Oh, sorry, Sherry, your network was bad. So sorry about it, but I hope next time it will be better. When you meet a challenge, contact me, send a message, I'll respond to you, we can meet, okay? At any time. Otherwise, I wish you a nice time, bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Sherry,
teacher.
bye-bye.
bye bye bye
Bye-bye, we can leave the meeting now.
bye.
Try to
Bye-bye.
check operational numbers, my friends. Don't forget. Check the site, go through operational numbers. Tell mommy will help you. Tell anyone at home will help you go through. Okay?
Excuse me, teacher. What's your phone number before you end?
Before I end, 0757. Or I can just send it here.
757.
It's here. Let me send it. Let me just type and send it.
0757.
When you contact me, you tell me your name and the class, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Yeah.
07573.
It's there. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
23.
We shall be meeting.
19. 0757.
Bye, teacher.
723.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Teacher Linda.
Bye-bye. Have you seen my message in the chat?
Yes.
Okay,
Bye,
do that.
teacher.
End the
Bye-bye.
end the meeting.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Those ones who have not got my number, it's in the chat. Check there, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Contact me after covering something. You contact me, I'll be helping, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye.
Asante, Shadrach, you failed?
Failing.
The teacher failing to do what?
I don't know.
Failing to end the meeting. Let me see here.
Yeah, check. You must have an arrow, like a pointing, some feature there that shows that it's pointing beyond where your mic is and where you've muted your microphone from.
Okay.
Have you seen it?
Yeah.
It shows the options. Can you see them?
Yeah.
Then have you read it? What does it say?
It says leave meeting, end meeting for all.
End.